Initiating simulation 017. Draining the abyss. We pull the plug. In a single second, 1.3 billion cubic kilometers of water vanishes. The Earth turns into a beige wasteland. The continents are now just high plateaus towering over a vast, salty desert. You could walk from New York to London, but it would be a hike through hell. You'd have to cross the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, mountains taller than the Rockies. We would finally see the graveyards. The Titanic sits exposed in the sunlight for the first time in a century. Thousands of shipwrecks reveal their gold. The Mariana Trench becomes a canyon 7 miles deep. If you fell in, it would take you minutes to hit the bottom. But the smell would kill you. Billions of tons of marine life die instantly. The rotting flesh releases a cloud of toxic gas that wraps the planet. Then, the physics kicks in. The ocean weighs billions of tons. Without that weight pressing down, the tectonic plates snap back. Global super-earthquakes destroy every city on Earth. Volcanoes erupt simultaneously as the crust decompresses. The water cycle breaks. No evaporation means no rain. The forests burn. The crops fail. Earth becomes Mars. Drink water while you can. End log.